Nice to have you back in Altrady's beginner course. This time we're keeping it real. What is trading really? Let's break down what trading really means in simple, everyday language. Trading means making a profit by taking advantage of price movements. It's about buying something at a lower price and selling it later at a higher price, or sometimes selling it at a high price and buying it back cheaper. This is called shorting, but we'll explain that later. Think of it like buying a used car for $5,000. When the economy is unstable and nobody wants one, low demand and high supply, a few months later when the economy improves and demand returns, you sell that same car for $8,000, making a $3,000 profit. That's trading. Spotting changes in conditions and acting at the right time. In financial markets, it works the same way, but instead of cars and houses, we're trading digital assets like cryptocurrencies. The goal is always the same: to profit from a difference in price. Now let's talk about trading styles. Depending on your approach, there are different ways to trade. Intraday trading means opening and closing trades within the same day, or keeping them open a couple of days maximum. It gives you a lot of opportunities to practice and learn quickly, which is great when you're just getting started. But it requires a lot of time and focus, and it's intense and overwhelming for many. Swing trading hits the sweet spot. It's not too fast, not too slow. You check your trades just often enough to be engaged, but not so often your family forgets what you look like. Long-term investing means holding positions for months or even years. It's less about quick profits and more about believing in long-term value. This style often focuses on more fundamentals: what the project is, who's behind it, and what real-world problems it tries to solve. There's no single right answer here. Some traders combine styles or shift based on market conditions. Take a moment to think about your own situation. How much time can you dedicate? Are you patient or do you prefer quick action? The right one is the one that fits your lifestyle and patience. No matter which style you try, we'll help you test it safely, without risking real money. Because learning to trade with real money first is like learning to swim by being thrown into the ocean. It's technically possible, but we don't want you gasping for air on the first lesson. Now that you understand what trading really is, let's take it a step further. In the next video, we'll break down how crypto trading works and what you'll exactly be trading.